I got my 2015 F150 Platinum. It's got a coolant leak that I got to deal with here, and yeah, let's see what it is. Let's get under there. So this is the 3.5 Eco-Boost. It's got a leak right here on this coolant fitting going to the turbo on the driver's side. And yeah, we're gonna take out, well, first we're gonna lift it up and yeah. This on here that way. You know, these little chrome caps are swollen, but you know, here's one that doesn't have the chrome on it anymore because it's been pulled off. I should replace them, but I'm probably not going to, at least not right now, because I'm cheap. Right. That's why I do stuff at home, because I know how to do it, and it saves me money. So yeah, there we go. We got that off. Now, what we gotta do is take out our fender liner. Pull out this. I got it all loose. Times. Come on now. It's a little tricky. Just gotta kind of work it out. It's dusty too. You're not gonna be wearing some pants that you're willing to get dirty. This over here to put it on the tire. Okay. Alright. Okay, I'm going to drain the coolant. We're still on the driver's side here. There should be a little valve. Oh, it's a flathead. Okay. Alright, here's my flathead. Get it up in there. It's just straight on the bottom left of it. And you can spin it with the screwdriver. Oh, actually, I could have grabbed that with my finger. Okay, it's like a little, you'll see, I'll show you here in a sec. Alright, so, yeah, draining the coolant. Hopefully, this catches it all. That was fun. This is gonna leak for a while. So while that's happening, now we're gonna go over loosen our bolts. Oh dang it. Oh well. That'll do. So. Oh, that's gonna be fun getting back on. Okay, so. Alright. That one. Oh, there's one in the back that I'm not sure how I'm gonna get. Oh, just like that. There we go. Come on. Get on there. Get it on there. Oh, come on. Alright. Come on, I have to flip my impact over. Oh, messed you up. Alright. Now that we got these loose, we should be able to just kind of slide this away. That way, oh shoot, that would have been fun. About got hit in the face. Yeah. Typically, the studs will stay in and this won't come out, but yeah, if it does, make sure you don't lose the gasket that's attached that goes in between. Okay. Alright, we gotta get this oil return, well, it's the pressure and the return line loose. It's a Torx bit. We'll have to figure out what size it is. Alright, this Torx bit for the oil lines that go to the turbo, they are T45. My extension might be too long. Shoot. Or not long enough. One of the two. Alright, I got her loose at least. Loosey goosey. Yeah. So get those off of there. Hopefully don't get dripped on too much. So I'm not. Yeah. Okay, so got that out of there. There's a little gasket that you don't want to lose, but yeah, we'll deal with that later. All right, in order to get these coolant tubes off, there's a little clip that holds them in. Don't lose that clip if you're gonna oh, okay, well there it goes. If you're gonna reuse it, but yeah, you'll end up pulling this one up. It's probably gonna lose coolant, so you definitely want to have some sort of pan or something to catch the oil. I'm gonna loosen these guys up. One's your intake and one's your charge air, and trying to think, pull this little vacuum off. Come on. Gonna take these 3 bolts out. That one's a T50. These are Allens. They're 10mm Allens. Yeah, yours will probably have 3 of these in there. I must have used one of the old ones for, you know, obvious reasons, because I messed something up. Alright, you've also got to get the clip out of that one. So there's 2 coolant lines, you know, one in, one out. And boy, it is tricky. These little clips, like I said, don't lose them. And oh, come on, they can be really tricky. You might have to jiggle the line in and out. Oh, okay, there we go. Come on, come on. Why is it acting like that? So, I got the turbo out. Here it is. The part that I'm replacing is going to be this line right here. It's held in by a Torx bit back there. I don't know if you can see it from here, but it's a Torx bit. right back there to the left of that other bolt right there. But yeah, a while ago I replaced these exhaust manifolds and I noticed that this was kind of tore up, but I took some Brillo pad and scuffed it up. I thought that it would be alright, but boy was I wrong, and now I'm taking the turbos off again. Yay! Now that I have the turbo off, I'm going to take the little clip that's holding this line in off right there, and then I'm also going to take that screw out that's to the left of there, holding it in. I believe it's going to be a T45 Torx bit. I'll let you know. Alright, so this was a T45 holding this older one on. So you're going to want to replace your exhaust gasket for this, and you're also going to want to replace these little fittings. There's two in the turbo, there's two on the block. Yeah, there's this. Nice spot to set my turbo flange. Here we go, there's one off. Here's the other one. Make sure the rubber O-rings come off with them. So you don't want an O-ring left in there, you'll double O-ring it and it'll leak. New ones. Oh, this one's for the block. It's a different size. Didn't realize. But hey. Always start them by hand. You don't want to cross thread. Oh yeah, it's torqued. Torqued to specifications. Okay. New lines in, and yeah, new fitting, and got my new exhaust flange gasket on there. I got my new fittings, they're all tight. Make sure you pull out the little clips before you install it. Alright, I finished it up. All my connections in, everything. I put 2 bolts down there. All the points, all your intake and charger hookups. Man, this job is not fun. I'm not gonna lie to you. But you know, you'll be able to do it. And then make sure you put your plug in here with your where you drain your coolant out. And top her off with the let her eat. Alrighty, have a good one. Alright, I got my fender liner in and my tire back on, my wheel tire. Make sure to torque your lug nuts and go get her washed.
Please, thank you. Please pull forward slowly into the wash.
She's running good. No more leaks. I hope. Freshly washed up though. Only thing dripping is been having a problem with these. Might have to do a video of me replacing those. And there's one more thing. Oh, I think I got a wheel bearing going out, so I'll probably end up doing a video on that too. So, but yeah, look at her. She's freaking pretty truck. All right, peace.